Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car. It's a beautifully restored 1963 Fairlane 500 Thunderbolt Tribute. It's got a center oiler 427, 4¼ horse. American Racing torque thrust. Really give it that vintage feel. Whole nose is fiberglass. The hood, teardrop hood, the fenders, front bumper, all in fiberglass. Finished in that burgundy that it was back in the day. 427 center oiler motor, 4¼ horse, Mallory ignition, Mickey Thompson cross ram with dual Hollies on here. Gets its air out from the front. Center headlights. The tow bar up front for racing. This car definitely means business. Done as it was. Beautiful straight body, great lines all the way around. Gorgeous chrome and stainless. So we got the buckets, plain Jane vinyl floor. No visors, no radio, no nothing. Just the music of the motor. Look at these seats. Beautiful. Electric fan. Top loader trans, 4-speed. Long tube headers leading to dual exhaust. Ford 9-inch rear. 456 gears. Old school Mallory distributor too. guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Hit me up, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com. Provide shipping, financing. Give us a call, 631-339-0399.